camera. Impressive f/1.85 aperture gives more light to the night. Mono mode produces evocative results. Software incredibly sluggish to capture and low on features. Essential has directed a lot of energy to showing off what its dual lens array is capable of. Each lens is 13 MP, though one is capable of shooting in color as well as black and white, while the other is a dedicated monochrome lens. We've now had more time to try the PH1 in a variety of settings, and while the capabilities of the cameras aren't as apparent as, say, the Google Pixels or that of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, we're pretty pleased. However, if you're reading about the camera for the PH1, you're likely seeing some alarming points, like that it takes too long to boot the camera app and that it's slow to capture a photo. Unfortunately, both of those are true. Despite the power under the hood, modifying basically any setting causes frustration-inducing stuttering. Given Essential's commitment to improving the PH1 over time, we wouldn't be surprised to see these issues ironed out soon, but until then, people in need of a good pocket camera are served better elsewhere. But that doesn't mean this phone can't take a good photo. The f/1.85 aperture of the phone's main lens does a respectable job in low light, but isn't perfect. Generally, the photo and video quality of the PH1's cameras are stellar, but are prone to blurring due to the sheer amount of time required to snap a single photo. In our expanded carousel, enjoy some samples that show off what it's capable of. We've also included some photo and video examples shot through the 360-degree camera accessor.